Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Exciting Seed Airdrop Update. Your $CD tokens and MON blind boxes are waiting. Big news, Seed community. The Seed Airdrop has just hit a major milestone, and there's a lot to unpack. If you're holding $CD tokens, you'll want to pay close attention because you can now check your finalized airdrop allocation. Yes, you heard that right. Seed holders can now verify their airdrop allocations. Simply head to the Seed Airdrop Allocation Checker to see exactly how many $CD tokens are coming your way. Whether you've been in it from the start or recently joined the Seed Go ecosystem, this is your chance to see where you stand. But wait, there's more. Party Popper, MON blind boxes and Seed Bird NFTs. A new opportunity awaits. In a surprise twist, the Seed Go team has rolled out an exciting new opportunity, MON blind boxes. This isn't just another drop. This is a chance to claim between 1 to 15 MON blind boxes, based on your Seed Bird NFTs holdings. If you've been collecting, now's your time to shine. Getting your hands on these boxes is simple. Just follow the instructions on the official Seed Go update bot and start claiming. When can we expect the CD token listing? Everyone's been buzzing about the CD token listing date, and while we don't have the exact day yet, we do have a tentative timeline for mid-February 2025. It's a bit of a wait, but the delay is due to approval processes with top-tier exchanges and some key technical integrations. But here's the kicker. Binance might just be one of those exchanges, and that could really set the market on fire. Market analysts are predicting the pre-market price of Seed to fall between $0.024 and $0.044. Reflecting the strength of the community and the continuous development behind the scenes. If the buzz around Seed keeps growing, that price prediction could easily see some upward momentum. Seed ecosystem upgrades, wallet swapping and Seed verse 2.0. The updates just keep coming. In mid-February, get ready for the highly anticipated wallet swapping feature. This upgrade will make managing your Seed tokens even easier, allowing you to connect or switch wallets effortlessly. It's all about flexibility, and the best part? The Seed Go team has reassured us that security and scalability are top priorities, so your tokens will be in safe hands. On top of that, Seed verse 2.0 is set to elevate the entire platform. The team is working on an enhanced user experience with better functionalities and a more seamless ecosystem. These updates are part of the broader roadmap to expand the Seed community and increase the adoption of the CD token. Wrapping it up, a bright future for Seed. With all these developments, the Seed airdrop continues to gain momentum. The excitement is building, and as we edge closer to the CD token listing, investors and community members alike are eagerly anticipating the next chapter in the Seed journey.